lovely people, how are you all? I hope you're all okay. Fatim Ali back in the kitchen for you guys, and today we've got you these simple 3 ingredients. And who can have a guess? What are we making in Fatim Ali's kitchen today, guys? Well, we're showing you guys how to make a fufu for your okra soup when you cook an okra soup and you want to eat it with fufu instead of rice. So this is the ingredients here for it. We've got plain flour here, 500 grams of it. I put 500 grams of flour in the jug. This will depend how much you want to make. If you want to make less, I will show you a little bit about how to figure it out, okay? But at the moment I've got 500 grams here, and I've got 3 tablespoons of lemon juice here, and I've got half a teaspoon of salt here. Then I've got water here in the pot. This is the main thing that you need to work out with your flour, okay guys? So this water, I've got about half a liter of water in here because I'm making 500 grams, so I've got half a liter here. So if you're making less than that, you need to reduce the water as well, okay? So that's all that we need for this fufu, for your nice lovely okra soup or super kanja, okay guys? So what we are going to do now is we're going to add the flour in the water. I'm gonna add half of that first and then mix it. And then the other half goes in, and that should be it. Also guys, flour is a little bit messy, but we'll clean that up when we're ready, okay? I'm going to go in straight away and add the lemon juice, then add the salt, and then I'm going to keep on mixing all of them together. Yes, so we just mix until we are happy with the shape that we want it to be before we can sort it out, okay? And it's not easy to mix this thing, it's a little bit hard, but that's all you need to do, because you have to keep mixing it because you don't want it to burn underneath or have lumps in it while it's not ready. That's not going to be nice. So just keep stirring it until you have that beautiful nice fufu that you want your flour to turn out in. Okay, just mix. And at this point, I'm going to turn the gas down a little bit because I don't want it to burn. When it's on high heat, it's going to burn. So I'm going to turn the gas down a tiny bit. Right, so we cook it on a low heat. Keep mixing. Get some mussels out and just mix. Because at this point, it gets harder to mix. In a minute, let's show you guys how this lovely fufu has turned out. Did you see, guys? It's not an easy task. You need so much strength in there, so much muscle work, because all you do is just mix until it forms like this. This is the end result. We want a very nice, lovely, thick fufu for our lovely okra soup. So this is how we make that, all right? And I'm going to turn the gas totally off at this point. That's it, okay? Right, so I'm going to set that aside for 5 minutes. I'm going to show you how I'm going to put that fufu together, okay? So I'm going to pick some up with my nice, lovely, clean hands. And then, depends how big you want your fufu to be. You can make it smaller if you like, or you can make it a little bit bigger if you want, okay? But that's how I am making it. Just like that. And then put it there. But you always have to have some water on the side so that you can rinse your hand in so that the fufu doesn't stick on your hands when you make it. Okay, there you go. All right, just like that. And there. Okay guys, there you have it. That's our lovely fufu for our okra soup. And can you see in here? Can you see how dry this end up look at the end? That's how it always looks when you make a fufu. You get that dry bottom on there. I'm gonna soak it, leave it soaked for a while, and then later on we'll scrub that, okay? But this is the fufu that we make, guys, all right? And we're going to be having it with our nice okra soup, super kanja. Whenever you make a super kanja okra soup, this is what you have it with if you don't want to have it with rice, all right? So guys, that's all the fufu that we make for you in Fatim Ali's kitchen. I hope you enjoy it and you learned the easy steps how we make it. It's not that hard if you follow the easy steps how I make it, and then it will be easy. Yeah, that's all that we've got for you guys today, and I hope you like it. So if you do, please put your thumbs up, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell right over, yeah, so that you don't miss out on content. When we post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And in the meantime, we love you, and we're going to enjoy that lovely fufu that we make until we come on your way again soon. You're all invited. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.